We're out here on beautiful lake in the Duck Mountain Provincial Park. It's not a huge lake out here, but it's pretty good size. It's an island in the middle, that's what we're at. Let's see, our Eskimo Outbreak 650 XD. Well, he just did it. What do you think, Oz?
That's a nice awakening.
We just woke up to the bells ringing on the fishing rod. Too. Yeah, stick him on that bump board, Oz. Let's see what we got. You got to put his face up there. Okay. Yep. Stretch him out. So the master is 20.
Oh man, he's so slippery.
Yep, get him back on there. We got to take a couple pictures of this. Never caught a brown before. You lucky bugger. Okay, she's on that end. Holy, we don't have a hole, so you pinch her. Okay, she's touching. Yeah, oh yeah, she's touching. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, that is 22. Exactly 22. Okay, just a second. I'm gonna take. Quick video of our setup. That's the clam plate, drill plate. I'll give you a tour of the inside. Beauty of this is this door. I'm not gonna trip. I'm gonna go in. So you can see somebody's fishing hard over there. Hi, Ozzy. There's lots of room in this. It's got 94 square feet. That's our little yo-yo camera. It's dead now. We played it out, I guess. That's our little diesel heater. We've just been supplementing the heat. I don't find it's quite warm enough for this size of a tent to run out on its own. But as you can see, if you can see, it's been running for 18 hours and 8 minutes. And the fuel level had been about right there. One thing about them is the Chinese Happy Buy one, 5 kilowatt. One thing about them is they apparently they leak, and I think from the lid. That antenna is not part of it. That's our cell phone booster. We got Milwaukee fan that we didn't use. A bunch of electronics there. I got a fish finder that I'm not using there too. The essential carbon monoxide detector. You gotta have that, or you're crazy. For $35, it's worth it. This one's cool. This is our buddy heater. A link to a propane tank outside. That fan is just attached. I just made a notch and it just sits on there. Be forewarned though, if you do it, it'll burn the paint, the red paint up in there underneath it. But once it's off, it doesn't leave any smells. Yeah, this thing's just got hooked up to a battery over there, and it's got a pump, and you can see it here. It's just doing little squirts. Like that thing's been running for 18 hours on that battery hit there and that tank of fuel. Last night it was about minus 25?
Minus 35 with the wind chill.
Yeah, minus 30 or 32 with the wind chill. And I used that heater and that heater to keep this big shack warm, and it worked great. It's just more stuff you got to carry. I'll show you the pipe going out. Oh, that got me excited. So I got the pipe coming out. from that diesel heater. All I did was I wrapped it in fiberglass welding blanket that I had originally made for something else. I see it's stuck there now. I screwed up a little bit, but it's not hot at all around the outside, so it works pretty good. It's the sleigh we brought everything on. And there's somebody's out there, didn't even notice.